you're a business owner, or if you know a business owner, this is for you. My name is Phil Harwood. I'm an attorney working with small and medium sized organizations. Every organization needs a trusted legal advisor, and here's why. Large organizations have in house counsel. They employ one or more attorneys on staff as part of their internal legal department. These organizations also work with outside counsel. So these are attorneys working for law firms who support the in house legal team. And this totally makes sense for these large corporations, larger family businesses, and larger nonprofits due to the many legal issues that arise on a regular basis. On the other hand, smaller organizations usually face fewer legal matters, and they only engage with attorneys when something extraordinary happens, which could be that something bad happened, or it could be that a big opportunity and associated legal matters have come along. The problem with this approach is that the organization is scrambling to find an attorney they trust at the worst possible time when there's immediate need or a crisis. We all know that we often don't make our best decisions under pressure, so this is not optimal. A better approach is to develop a relationship with a business attorney when there's no crisis. This allows time to build a trusted relationship with the business owner, their leadership team, and often family members, especially if there are plans to involve the next generation in the organization. Then, when there is a crisis, the known and trusted attorney can step in as an advisor who knows the organization, knows the owners, knows the key people, and their family members in many cases. And instead of investing precious time and energy into finding an attorney who's willing to jump into a crisis, spending time and energy deciding whether to retain that attorney and hoping for the best, you can invest time and energy into the matter at hand. Business attorneys who work with smaller organizations need to be mindful of the costs associated with their legal work. Big firm attorneys are often too expensive for smaller organizations due to their large overhead and their high billable hourly rates. And this is where boutique law firms like Tamarisk Legal Advisors shine. We work closely with small and medium-sized organizations. We understand what they need and what they don't need. For example, unlike big firms, we don't bill extra for simple emails and quick phone calls. Because of our approach and affordability, our clients don't hesitate to involve us in all sorts of matters: strategic business decisions, negotiations, partnership issues, entity formation, contract drafting and review, succession planning, selling their businesses, and much more. And of course, we're one of the first advisors to be brought in when something goes sideways. Unfortunately, business owners are not immune from bad things happening: distress, divorce, disability, and even death. And all of these things can result in a crisis without the right advisors. So who do you know who owns a business and who would benefit from this message? Please take a moment to share this message with them. This small act of love may be the most important thing you do today. Now go forth.